step 2, which is spell words. So I need everyone's book open. And I know you guys know where you are. Here we go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shh. Ah.
Brennan's here.
Just leave them be. Okay, I said ah. Someone has eh. Can we say it again? Ah. And what letter is that going to be?
A.
Okay, so check yourself. Okay, next one is g. Okay, look at your partners real quick.
Okay,
There you go, much better. Next one is I.
A.
And last one is B. Okay, listen to my questions. Please do not say it out loud. My first question is, how do you spell the long E in the middle of a word? I got some geniuses on my hands here. Okay, what about if you spell, how would you spell the K sound after a short vowel? The K sound after a short vowel. I'm seeing some people have it, so check your partners if you're confused. Oh, never mind. Everybody's got it. And let's go on to this to get some of this action in here. So I'm actually going to go like that. All right, ready? Let's do mash. What is the beginning sound in mash?
Beginning?
Got it. Hush. What is the end sound in hush? Okay. And shed. What is the end sound in shed? All right. And we're going to say the alarm went off there.